Kani kadega Pati CTV.
Kumbalong lem ki wei pat ki skol na lor ka puli puthi ka jingile ka sport su ka de ka wei ka benta ka bakinong penya skol kin hab ban khmi ya ka sap ka bo khna udon ka balong ru ka wei ni ki kandon jang ka sarkar na ka benta baro ki skol shibenta ban pendap ikani ka kamram ka wei ni ki skol ka badan hakani ka nong ba shulong bala pendap ikani ki jingtha jang ka sarkar ka de ka gorkha secondary school ka badan opor shulong ka plas dang ya kani ka lumpung haka nyau tarik mentau bana yayong hakani ka lumpung ki khna nadu ki class ki baret hadu ki bahe layo lahat ban pini ka sap pat ka jing tibet jong ki he ka jing le kai ba per kan thop nadu kam march pass ka drill ka jing ko mare pat ki wede ki jing le kai kerpang tang na kamta ki khnar
flag bearers and the placard bearer. The school commanders are followed by the Gandhi and the Yellow House and placard holder Pooja Kumari. Flag bearer Manish Gurum and placard holder Vaisali Thakuri. Commanded by Vivek Sunar, flag bearer Rehan Budathuki and placard bearer Purnima Biswa. Bhuvan of the Red House, commanded by Tasi Lama, flag bearer Sagar Ghale and placard bearer Twinkle Chetri. The last man we have Sivarana here. Last man we have Sivarana here. So he was selected for the Republic Day Parade 2017. Finally, the Gorkha School basketball court is finally opened by our chief guest, Sri Ronnie Wellingdon, Honorable Minister of Urban Affairs, and who is also the local MLA.
Kani kadega Pati CTV.